Mrs. P. Tarleton. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am so glad you're here. Today I wanted to talk to you about things that we can control. There's so much out there on the internet and we have no control as teachers. Going back, not going back, virtual, not virtual, distance learning, whatever the case may be. We don't have control over that. So I wanted to come on today and I wanted to go over some things that we have control over. I want to make sure that what I'm working on over the summer break is going to be useful, whether I'm doing distance learning, virtual classrooms, whatever the case, or actually physically in the classroom. I want it to work for everything. So I know the number one thing to gather our students, to bring them in, is a visual interest, visual appeal. So I'm going to start there. So first you have to grab their attention. And unfortunately, we judge books a lot of time by their cover. So I'm going to talk to you today about my favorite top 3 covers. That's what they are. Let's get started. I'm going to show you each and every one of these sites that I've been using to make it visually appealing. So I'm going to add a little visual appeal to my lessons. First up, Slides Carnival. Slides Mania has all these pre-made, ready-made slides, and you can use them. They're beautiful. They're beautifully done. Everything is done for you. Instant visual. Now just don't forget, because copyright laws, you don't want to be violating copyright laws when you know we're telling our kids all the time, our students, don't violate copyright laws. So make sure that you are giving them credit. That's all they ask. They ask that you give them credit. So here it is. Here's Slides Carnival. And if you take a look across the top, you have all kinds of template options to choose from. You can choose by color, formal, inspirational, creative. But I just want to go through and I want to show you some of the basics. So this is one presentation you can use. I think the one on the right here probably is not so appealing, visually interesting, but the one with the pencils, that's definitely different. You want to go through here and you want to find the ones that you don't see all the time, new and exciting things. Got some animations. So when you look at these, you see the title page, and then they have all the coordinating additional slides in various formats. There you have it. There's Slides Carnival. Next up, I have Slides Mania. Oh my, the work that went into some of these slides. I want to show you these slides. These are incredible slides. So interactive. Oh my gosh, all the moving parts, it would take you hours to recreate. This is what they have on their site. So here we're on Slides Mania. Notice up at the top they have business, educational, formal, fun, simple, you name it. Now, I'm going to go into the business and just kind of show you around really quickly. This is what they have for their business slides. They're all coordinated. They're all ready to go. But because I'm in education, I took a look here. We have notebooks, manipulatives, choice boards, weekly planners, yearly planners. I absolutely love this yearly planner. This has everything imaginable and it's all digital and free. They have the newest one available right here. Click on it, you download it, you use it. Just make sure you give them credit. Interactive notebooks, they're ready to go. This file cabinet, each and every one of those drawers open, and inside each drawer there's 4 file folders, so you can attach like 4 different lessons. They're all editable. You can label them, call them what you will. Free. Great resource. And it's all free. The only thing they ask is that you give them credit. Just say where you got it. You got it from Slides Mania. Great site. Lastly, what I've been playing with and I'm absolutely loving is Bitmoji scenes. Bitmoji classroom scenes. And these are scenes that you are going to build and create yourself. Or if you borrow an image, you can create interactive
Bitmoji scenes as well. I want to show you a few that I've seen. Everything in this classroom is hyperlinked to something usually. They're a lot of fun to create, but I must warn you, they are very, very time consuming, but a lot of fun. Very, very cute.
So here's some examples. This whiteboard, you can put a message there, run a video there, you can add links to your lesson. Same with this one. This one's very simple, very basic. This one's very colorful and bright. Great for an elementary school math class. And then this one is mine. I've linked my calendar. I'll have a sign-in sheet. I'll have a place linked to calculators. And then this one, all the days of the week, every single day, the lessons are all linked there, all in one spot. I don't know about you, but my goodness, this is so much prettier than just getting a clickable link on a Google Doc or a Google Slide, and it's just so much more engaging.
What have you used? What do you want to use to make your lessons more visually appealing? Because we all know if it's visually, that's the first instinct. When you look at a book cover and it's beautiful, you're like, oh, I want to read this book. It may be something that you're totally not interested in, but if it looks good, you may grab that and take a look at it. And that's what we want for our students. Keep focusing on what you have control over. Don't worry about the rest. The rest is going to take care of itself. And step out and be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day.